In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is getting crowded and you want to clean it up quickly, Yahoo Mail makes it pretty easy to remove a large number of emails at once. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of old messages, unread emails, or promotional messages taking up space in your inbox. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account and go to your inbox. Make sure you're on the main message list so you can see all of your emails clearly. This is where you'll be able to select multiple messages at the same time instead of deleting them one by one, which can take a lot longer. At the top of the message list, you'll see a checkbox. Click that checkbox if you want to select all the emails currently shown in your inbox. This is the fastest option if you're trying to clear out everything in one go. Once selected, those emails will be highlighted, letting you know they're ready for the next action. If you don't want to delete every email, click the small downward pointing arrow next to that checkbox. This gives you more selection options, which is useful if you want to be more specific about what gets removed. From there, you can choose to select all emails, only read emails, only unread emails, starred emails, or unstarred emails. This can save time if you're trying to organize your inbox without deleting important messages. You can also manually check the boxes next to individual emails if you only want to delete certain ones. That gives you more control, especially if you're reviewing messages as you go. After your emails are selected, look at the toolbar at the top and click the trash icon. As soon as you do that, Yahoo Mail will immediately move the selected emails to the trash. Keep in mind that deleting emails in bulk is quick, so it's a good idea to double check your selection before clicking the trash icon, especially if you're sorting through important messages. And that's all there is to it. That's how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast way to keep your inbox clean and easier to manage.